Something I do often when modeling is grab a line of faces. So I right now want to flatten out this area. There's faces that are a little bit crooked and I want them all to be the same flatness. And to do that, I'll need to grab each of these faces, but it can be a little annoying to grab them face by face. So if I can select multiple faces at once, it's much easier. And I'm going to show you how to do that in Blender. So I'm in edit mode. Up top, you can see your different modes. And I'm also in face mode. So I've got this one selected, the square that represents face. And then I select the first face that I want. And now I'm going to go all the way down the line to the last one that I want. And I'm going to hold down Shift and Control on my keyboard at the same time. And then I can grab the whole line. And now I'll do that again, continue to hold down Shift and Control and go from one end to the other. And now continue to do so, grabbing all that you want. Make sure you're still holding down Control and Shift, and I'm getting multiple faces at once here. And now I have all of the faces that I need to flatten. So what I'm gonna do is go into my scale tool here, and I'm gonna start scaling them down. And if, while I'm scaling them and holding down the scale button, I select 0 on my number pad, it will flatten them all at once like that, perfectly flat. So that's good. That's what I wanted. I have a lot of cleaning up to do with this ugly model, so that is very important. So I hope this helped you guys grab some faces, and I hope your transition into Blender, if you're transitioning, is a smooth one. I'll see you in another video.